I just read Matthew chapter 27, verses 50 to 54. It's the account of the exact moment of Jesus' death. And when Jesus had cried out again in a loud voice, he gave up his spirit. At that moment, the curtain of the temple was torn in two from top to bottom. The earth shook, the rocks split, and the tombs broke open. The bodies of many holy people who had died were raised to life. They came out of the tombs after Jesus' resurrection and went into the holy city and appeared to many people. When the centurion and those with him who were guarding Jesus saw the earthquake and all that had happened, they were terrified and exclaimed, "Surely he was the Son of God." I have questions. Why doesn't Hollywood ever depict the other zombies that pop up out of the ground as is told in this gospel? Why all the effort in the New Testament to prove Jesus as Son of God? Virgin birth, that proves it. Miracles performed, that proves it. Body resurrected, that proves it. A lot of proving going on in the New Testament. If Jesus truly is the Son of God, before he leaves here in Matthew chapter 27, why didn't he inform us of the Chinese, or the First Nations in Canada, or the Aztecs, or Mayans? What about penicillin? Had a sterilized equipment for surgery? Rotating crops? Something useful? Nope. Just excessive proof that he's connected to God. But the stuff he failed to mention, or failed to teach, or didn't seem to know, makes me doubt the whole thing. And the reference to the centurion being terrified? I can't shake the idea that the New Testament is merely reactionary literature to the Roman Empire and foreign control. Judea became a Roman province in the year 6 of the Common Era. Jesus would have been about 10 years old. But, of course, no one's going to reference Jesus for another 70 years. And in another language. And in another province. All very, very curious if you cast a critical eye at this stuff.